Most people probably think of Finder chart as a way of getting lots of images across many different wavelengths, but it's not just the wavelength of various surveys that is changing. The time at which they observed is also changing, and you can use this as a way of looking for things that have high proper motion. Let's search on GJ699. It went and got the coordinates from Simbad, and these are going to be in Epoch 2000 as well as J2000. Let's do mostly the defaults. I'm going to choose large display size, turn off Sloan, and turn off Akari, and turn off the corresponding catalog search. Search. Now, it may be hard to identify where the target is here. It turns out that this is Barnard star. So in the earliest images here from 1950, the star isn't even in the frame. By 1988, here it comes. And by 1991 and 1993, it's moving into position. For 2MASS, it's exactly where we expect it to be because the 2MASS data were taken in 2000. By WISE, the star has already moved off by quite a bit in 2010. Now, there's not a unique time of observation for the Spitzer data because it's a sum up of all the available observations, and so you'd have to go and get the date from the header to figure out exactly when these data were taken. You can see that it's actually moved off of where it was in 2000 for sure. This feature of Finder chart is a nice way of looking for things that change between images because the things are actually moving in space.